Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You want people to think say you're big and important? As a matter of fact, you think say you're big and important? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God and talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends them. And if you not do it yet, you wait pan. Just go on now, click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you no miss none of what I go on right there. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from Paul's first letter to the Corinthians, them, chapter 1, from verse 26 to verse 31. Brother and sister, think about how you did stay when God called you. Most of you, nobody never thinks you know wise. Most of you, nobody never thinks you could attack and make people do what you say. And a little bit of you come from big important family. But God picked this sitting them where people think are foolish, so that he can shame the one them we think say them wise. God picked this sitting them where people think weak, so that he could shame the people we think say them strong. God picked the one them where nobody not think important and where people look down upon. He pick the one them where people think no what nothing, so that he could have show the one them we think them are somebody, so them are really nobody. Him do that, so nobody can come to him and boast about how them wise and how them important. And God calls on for close with Jesus Christ. And that Jesus make we can know God and can understand certain things. God make we wise when we close with Jesus. And through we close with Jesus, God take away all our sin and make things right between we and him. And so we are in picnic now. So make we follow or write down in a God word. If nobody go boast about nothing, make them boast about what the Lord do for them. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.